Up first this evening, after 2 consecutive days of more rain is in the forecast. The Met Service has extended the flash flood warning for eastern and southern parishes.
Now, the heavy rainfall is associated with Hurricane Ian, and according to the Met Service, the forecast is for periods of moderate to heavy rainfall and thunderstorms to continue across the island. Now, Romaine Robinson will have the details on this current weather system later in the newscast. But first,
in the meantime, the scenic Holland bamboo is at risk of serious damage and losing its appeal, a potential blow to tourism and nature lovers.
Stakeholders insist clogged, poorly maintained drains are contributing to the damage and destruction of the attractive drive-through in St. Elizabeth. Giovanni Dennis was in the parish yesterday and now reports.
If you type #HollandBamboo on Instagram, you'll see more than 1,000 photos and videos, from married couples to media personalities and group photos of adventure seekers. Seen from above, the lush greenery appears intact, but down below reeks deterioration.
The G&M is in a bad condition still, you understand? So them need some maintenance. So that basically causes the flooding.
The water, when rainfall is under the bamboo, and nowhere to go. So as the breeze start blow, it will weaken.
We examined over a dozen drains in Holland bamboo ourselves. There didn't appear to be any cleaning.
Like one time for the year, them ready to drainage.
When?
In this division, yeah. Like one time per year, just like when they do road brushing, like one time per year. I wait until they grow up back before they brush again. I sent in the drain.
We don't really see nobody come clean them drain, and we have to help with safe boy, you understand? Because no MP, nor nobody no come assist we. We have to assist with safe, just like how you see it.
Even this sign put up there, no. Amount of picture will stop and take. Just because I signed. But otherwise, not more is here. What's the sign?
2 weeks ago, the roadway was impassable due to flooding. On Saturday, motorists again had difficulties due to flooding.
You cannot walk in it unless you have a water boat. And if you walk on the street in a water boat, fine. If you cross that's all, it gets you at your waist height. Up to yesterday rainfall is that up my drive. And me read, so if me open my door, it flood out in my truck.
No, more water, more bamboo, the tree them soak underneath, as the breeze come in and turn over. So this one would have a road and bamboo.
This is what residents fear, a potential Holland without bamboo. This happens because the ground is waterlogged and the bout of wind can cause that. Here is another, and further, there are more.
We counted more than a dozen fallen or badly damaged bamboo ourselves. Residents fear it could get worse without serious intervention.
Enough more attention. Tourist board have to go compound and make sure say they do a replant of the bamboo them, for drop out, for replant back them they want I even come straight with it. For the whole light want for the older trees them want soon gone, so you want some younger suck, you understand? So can no come up.
Tourism Minister Ed Bartlett, when we spoke by phone, said he was unaware of the issue. Giovanni Dennis, TVJ News.